Okay, I know a lot of people are playing Battlefront 2 and they're trying to get heroes and villains, but they play a game and it feels like everyone else is playing heroes with villains except for them. So, do you like Officer? No? Oh, I don't care though. But seriously, guys, you have to go Officer if you want to get the most points possible in the least amount of time. But you really don't have to. There's other ways to get fast that we'll go over in this video. So before you hop into a game or before the game starts, make sure you have these two cards on. If you don't have it, at least try to have one of them on your Officer, because it really makes everything easier, and that's why I told you to go Officer. And these two cards are Improved Battle Command and Bounty Hunter. A Battle Command makes your range bigger and gets to other people and makes your buffs pretty much better. Now Battle Hunter, on the other hand, increases the rate of how many battle points you get. So you get battle points way faster, which is literally what we're looking for. Now, don't click off the video yet. Don't get mad. You can still use Officer because his abilities will get you battle points faster. Try to stay alive though. Kill streaks is the best way. Now you see, as soon as the game started, I ran straight to point A and I healed everyone. And you can see near my health, I already got 1,000 battle points. 1,000 battle points. I didn't shoot a single bullet yet. That's insane. But I'm gonna a little bit speed this up so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Now, I just died, which is not really what you want to happen, but just keep getting out there as fast as possible, healing your teammates and everything so you can get the most amount of battle points. Alright y'all, have fun. Now what you see is me dying a lot. I just want to prove something right now. When you see how fast I got these battle points, knowing the fact that I died like 5 times and got like 1 kill streak, like I only got 1 kill, and then I died, it's gonna blow your mind on how fast this works. And it worked really fast. I was still like the first one to get a hero on my team, even though I died 5 times. Like, I ruined my chance to get battle points so much faster. I could have got it like 5 more minutes early, which is a big difference. Where people still have 1,000 and you already have 4,000 with a hero coming straight down at them. That's a really big difference. I'm not gonna waste y'all's time. May the force be with y'all, and I'm out of here.